Hello, I'm Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Today, let's clearly understand the daily Scrum call and why it actually matters. The daily Scrum is a short, focused Scrum event where the developers align their work and plan the next 24 hours. It is strictly a time boxed to 15 minutes and happens every day of the sprint, ideally at the same time. Well, it's not a status meeting, it's a daily planning and alignment conversation. We need the daily scrum because it keeps the team synchronized, exposes blockers early, and helps everyone stay aligned with the sprint goal. This small daily investment prevents big surprises later in the sprint. The mandatory participants in daily scrum are the developers because they are the ones doing the work and adjusting the plan. Optional participants include the Scrum Master, the product owner, or the stakeholders, but only if they add value and do not turn it into a reporting session. The daily Scrum is actually run by developers themselves. Now, the Scrum teams are supposed to be self managing, they are actually self managing. So, the ownership stays with the people closest to the work. The Scrum Master's role is to ensure the daily Scrum happens, stays within the 15 minutes time box, and remain effective. The Scrum Master coaches the team and protects the purpose of the event, but does not lead or interrogate. During the daily Scrum, developers inspect progress towards the sprint goal and adapt the sprint backlog for the next day. Many teams use three prompts: what was completed yesterday, what will be done today, what is blocking the progress. Detailed discussions are parked and handled immediately after. Now, the significance of Daily Scrum is that it enables daily transparency, inspection, and adaptation, which keeps the sprint on track. If a Scrum team skips the Daily Scrum, alignment drops, blockers stay hidden, works become siloed, and the risk of missing the sprint goal increases. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights about Daily Scrum.